A lot of people think I don't do much compared to them. I really don't do much. Don't go out, they think I'm out of touch. Don't go out, but I'm not out of touch. You know I've got no bucket list, 'cause that would feel like a crutch. Well, let me tell the story from my side. You know I see some countryside. You know I surely don't need to hide. No, I really don't need to hide. But I don't travel far and wide. No need to travel far and wide. But I'm not preaching and I'm not proud. I know I'm lucky to be allowed a quiet life out of the crowd. It suits me, so why not say it out loud? I'll be home or I'll be where my loved ones are. Love to be with them, I go where they are. At home I can read and play guitar, sit around with a book and my guitar. You know, don't have to look very far. Simple pleasures don't have to go very far. Well, I'm not preaching and I'm not proud. I know I'm lucky to be allowed a quiet life out of the crowd. It suits me, so why not say it out loud? So don't ask me how I spent my vacay, 'cause I'm on permanent vacay. 'Cause you know I don't have to get away. There's no reason for a getaway. I can be satisfied every day, so why not just be myself every day? Ooh, sedentary by nature. Ooh, homebody by nature. Ooh, sedentary by nature.